In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive blocked by firewall or plugins. If OneDrive won't load in your browser, won't let you sign in, or keeps failing to sync, it's often caused by a browser extension or a security setting getting in the way. We'll start in your web browser, then check your Windows Firewall settings. Follow along on your computer so you can make the changes as I describe them. First, open the browser you're using for OneDrive. Look at the upper right corner of the window for the menu icon, usually shown as 3 dots or 3 lines. Click that to open your browser's main menu. From there, find and click Extensions. This is where the browser lists add-ons that can change how pages load, including privacy tools, ad blockers, script blockers, and download managers. Next, open the page to manage your extensions. Depending on your browser, it may be called Manage Extensions or Extensions Manager. On this screen, you'll see toggles to turn extensions on or off. Temporarily turn off anything that could interfere with sign-ins, pop-ups, redirects, or content loading. Typical examples include ad blockers, tracking prevention add-ons, aggressive privacy or security plugins, and script or cookie managers. You don't need to uninstall anything, just use the switch to disable them. This reduces conflicts that commonly block cloud services like OneDrive from authenticating or loading files. If OneDrive is still blocked, let's quickly check Windows Firewall. Press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. In the search bar, type Windows Firewall. You should see Windows Defender Firewall or a similar result appear. Press Enter to open it. Inside the firewall window, look to the left-hand panel for the option that lets you turn the firewall on or off. Select that option. For troubleshooting, choose to turn the firewall off. This is only to determine whether the firewall is what's preventing OneDrive from connecting. Be aware that turning off your firewall lowers your protection while it's disabled, so do this carefully and only in a secure environment. With the firewall turned off, OneDrive should be able to reach Microsoft servers without being filtered. If the issue disappears, you've confirmed the block was coming from security filtering rather than OneDrive itself. And that's it. You started by checking the browser menu, opening extensions, managing them to disable anything that could interrupt OneDrive, and then used the Windows key to search for Windows Firewall, pressed Enter, and use the left side option to turn it off for testing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly isolate what's blocking OneDrive.